In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create another account on the Capitec app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this on the latest version of the Capitec Bank app. So make sure you update your app if necessary before you start following the steps I give you in this video. Once you ensure that you have the latest version available of the Capitec Bank app, all you have to do is open it up and sign in using your credentials as usual. When you sign in, you should be able to identify all of your currently created accounts on the home menu. As you can see, you are going to be able to locate your savings account, the Live Better savings option, any saving plans that you have, and any sort of insurance. All you have to do to add another account is to click any of these options. In this video, I'm just going to go ahead and click Live Better Savings. When you click any of these options, you will have to agree to the terms and conditions of creating your account, and as long as you agree, you will be able to set them up and transfer funds from your savings account to these accounts right away. As you can see, when you open up the menu for any of these accounts, for example, the Live Better Savings, you will have the options to set them up and have an overview of how the account works. You simply have to go through the instructions presented on screen and you will be able to manage your funds inside of them. As long as you create and agree with the terms, you will be able to use them as you wish on the latest version of the Capitec Bank app. I hope I was able to help you on how to add another account on the Capitec app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.